weirdly, it's rained today, so the kids are actually enjoying themselves.
So, shout out to me and my friends, Calvin and Dandan.
Calvin.
Shout out.
Anyway, Ricky is here to pick me up to go somewhere. To PLDT office, I mean smart office. Hi kids. So we are going to PLDT office for smart SIM. Yeah, my smart SIM haven't worked for like
They do replacement.
Yeah? Replacement. Oh, okay. Because my smart SIM has been off for 2 months, 3 months now. Yeah, that's my Globe SIM. I don't know why.
Also use a Wakan SIM.
I don't use any SIM. I only use Ricky's hotspot all this time. So it's a good thing. I'll check the price also. This SIM card is very important because all my visas and bank stuff are on this number. So it's a very, very important number to be here in the Philippines. Second part of our journey with this NAIA car is to go to the airport.
What? Who are you talking to?
I'm telling you.
He's talking to his followers. He's a vlogger.
Say hi to Owen and Selric. They always watch my vlog.
Owen.
Say hi Owen, hi Selric.
Owen, hi, Sarek. Hi, Owen. Hi, who?
Backside load.
Yeah, but there's traffic on the corner. Plus, I just got back from the PLDT office. Sorry, I didn't shoot the following coming back because it was like a quick turnaround when we come back from PLDT office. So they can do what changing of SIM, but they don't have the SIM card, empty SIM card. So they said that we have to go to SM Santa Rosa to do that. So anyway, I think we're gonna do that probably tomorrow or anytime this week. Yeah, anyway, we are going to the airport, so I'm just here to change my clothes and then bust out of here again. All right, I'm ready. I'm gonna go to the airport. I'm just waiting for Eric to come so we can go to the airport together. So I think it's me, Eric, and Yvonne. Yvonne is Eric's cousin. I don't know if it's first cousin or second cousin or third cousin. I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna head to the airport. It'll be a good vlog. I thought this day will get more boring than usual, but it is not apparently. So anyway, I'm just bringing the hoodie because the flight is around 8 p.m. and it's weirdly cold or somehow. I don't know. I just want to wear the hoodie. Yeah, I look weird. Let's go. The main reason why we took this route from Silang all the way behind the highway, the national highway, all the way to Manila, the airport, it is because we're trying to avoid toll gate. So this is like an experimental trip that we're trying to avoid paying for toll gate through the expressway, the slacks. South Luzon Expressway, you have to pay toll gates to go through to Manila. Now that's the easiest, the most shortest way to go to the airport. We are still stuck on traffic. It's been 5, 6, 7, 8, almost 3 hours of driving. We arrived 9 o'clock. Google Map told us 1 hour 20 minutes. I said, Google said 1 hour, 7:30.
Google actually took 2 hours.
Yeah, I said 8 o'clock, but we arrived here at 9. Just one simple mistake. We took a wrong turn. A super stupid turn. We should have scoot and then just go right and then out. No, we took a direct right turn. It's supposed to be like a slide to the right thingy. But anyway, at least we give time for immigration checkup and all those, and we are here. This place have changed since I came here. I only entered this terminal once, and it was like 7-8 years ago. Every time I leave the country, I come back, I go to terminal 2 or 4. We are at McDonald's. We arrived here at 10 o'clock at night. So that makes it around 5 hours of travel back and forth. There's a lot of traffic and we got lost along the way. So we're at McDonald's and then we're gonna go home. I just got back from the trip, 11:37. It's almost midnight now and I'm having dinner. Thank you Iwan for McDonald's dinner. Went to the airport, lady, lot of crazy stuff happened. I'm still salty about we taking that hard ride and got lost in the subdivision, and then we have to come out like for 30 minutes or so. Come back, go to the airport, pick up, and now we are home. I'm home. I just went up there to Ricky and Sina's place to get this one. This is taro leaf. It's delicacies from across the Pacific. So got some delicacies and some McDonald's American delicacies. Anyway, wonderful rounds, vehicle trip stuff. Come back, loved it. See you on the next one.